Buckle up, folks. We're diving into some shocking aircraft trivia. Did you know the world's largest passenger plane, the Airbus A380, has a wingspan bigger than a football field? That's 262 feet. And speaking of big, the Boeing 747 can carry over 400 people on a single flight. That's like taking an entire school with you on vacation. Here's something wild. The fastest commercial plane, the Concorde, could fly from New York to London in just under 3 hours. That's quicker than watching a movie trilogy. And get this, the Blackbird SR-71, a spy plane, was so fast it could outrun missiles. It flew at over 2,000 miles per hour. Talk about jet setting. Finally, did you know airplanes are struck by lightning about once a year? But don't worry, they're built to handle it. Pretty electrifying, huh? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more soaring facts.